What a joy. I mean, honestly, how unreal to find myself here. We've been trekking through the streets of Morocco. We've been on the beaches of Sicily. We've been in Scotland and in London and on giant sound stages. And now we're here with a finished film to share it with indie fans around the world. You know, Indy is not a Superman. He's not a superhero. He's from the moment we meet him in Raiders of the Lost Ark, we see someone who's trouble with relationships, who gets kind of a little freaked out in crowds, who isn't connected to his students, who really is much more comfortable lost in a book or in a cave. So Harrison digs into all that and loves it because I think it makes him so much richer as a character and funnier. I just think it's such a joy to see Harrison back in action, to feel the beauty and the power of John Williams' powerful music, written in pencil on a piano by one of our most preeminent composers at 90 years of age. That to me, it's Indiana Jones films, before they're anything, are a love letter to movies, golden age classic movies.